Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to make money online in Ghana. In today's digital age, the internet offers countless opportunities for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or looking to supplement your current income, this video will provide you with 7 proven methods to make money online in Ghana. From freelancing and online tutoring to e-commerce and affiliate marketing, we'll cover a range of strategies to help you succeed. But before we dive right in, make sure you subscribe to be part of this amazing family and hit the notification bell as well so that whenever we drop another video, you will be notified. Now let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing has become a popular option for individuals with diverse skills. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. If you possess skills in graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing, you can create a profile, showcase your expertise, and bid for projects. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to work on projects that interest you, set your rates, and manage your own time. 2. Online tutoring. With the increased demand for online education, tutoring has become a lucrative opportunity. If you excel in a particular subject or possess teaching experience, you can join platforms like VIP Kid, TutorMe, or Preply to offer your services as an online tutor. These platforms connect you with students globally, allowing you to teach subjects like English, math, or science. Conducting one-on-one or group sessions via video calls can provide a flexible and rewarding income stream. 3. E-commerce. Starting an e-commerce business can be a profitable venture in Ghana. You can create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and sell a range of products. Whether you choose to sell handmade crafts, clothing, electronics, or unique Ghanaian products, e-commerce allows you to reach customers locally and internationally. Effective marketing strategies, good customer service, and product differentiation will help you succeed in this competitive field. 4. Content creation. The rise of social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok has opened up opportunities for content creators. If you have a passion for creating videos, taking photographs, or writing engaging blog posts, you can monetize your content. Build an audience by consistently delivering high-quality content and leverage platforms like Google AdSense, brand partnerships, and sponsored posts to generate revenue. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or Jumia affiliate program and promote products through your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you earn a percentage of the sale. Selecting the right niche, understanding your audience, and implementing effective marketing techniques are key to success. 6. Online surveys and microtasks. Several websites and apps offer paid online surveys and microtasks in Ghana. Companies like Toluna, Swagbucks, and Clickworker pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, testing apps, or performing small online tasks. While the income from these activities may be relatively low, they can be a convenient way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. 7. Online trading and Forex. Online trading and Forex markets provide opportunities for individuals interested in financial markets. However, it's crucial to educate yourself about trading strategies, risk management, and market analysis before engaging in these activities. Platforms like eToro, IQ Option, or Plus 500 offer access to global markets and provide training resources for beginners. Conclusion. Making money online in Ghana is no longer a distant dream. With the right skills, dedication, and consistent effort, you can tap into the vast opportunities available on the internet. Whether it's freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, or online teaching, the digital world offers a multitude of ways to generate income. Remember to stay focused, be adaptable, and continuously update your skills to thrive in the ever-evolving online landscape. Start exploring these avenues today and unlock your online earning potential.